This is Saxmundham Marketplace. Usually there's a market here on a Wednesday, but we've got here today and there isn't. There's been a market here since 1272, except for today, and it was built with a grant from Henry III. This is the Bell Hotel. It was built in 1842 and it's the last coaching house to be built in England. This is Market Hall. It was built in 1842 and in 1913 the suffragettes held a rally in here. It seems to be a small marketplace here. This is St John's Church. This is the oldest building in Saxmundham. It was recorded in the Domesday Book in 1086, so it's likely it was built even before that. We found it. Here's the grave of John Noller, which has got a sundial in the top of it here. It's a bit carved out so that when it's a sunny day like it's not today, it tells you what time it is, apparently. And also you can see the same cutout around the back of it. I really don't know what the significance of it is, so if you do, can you let me know in the comments, please? I just found this notice board here which tells you all about what that gravestone is about. Here we are back at Saxmundham train station, waiting for a train to go to Woodbridge. Going to do a walking tour of there now. Here we are, we just arrived in Woodbridge. Going to take you on a walking tour around here now on a winter's day. This is Woodbridge Harbour. There's been a harbour here since the medieval times, and the first ever ship for the Royal Navy was built here in 1675. Here's the Woodbridge Tide Mill. It's been owned by lots of different people, but the most famous one was Henry IV. You might really enjoy it.